Okay, we're going to look at a problem here from section 2.7 in our textbook, related rates. Here we're given information about the altitude of a triangle, how that is increasing. So knowing that, I'm going to draw a triangle. Here's my altitude, I'll call it H, and that will be perpendicular to our base. The altitude is increasing at that rate of 1 centimeter per minute. So that would mean dH dt is equal to 1. The area is increasing at a rate of 2 centimeters per minute. And I know that will be represented by the A dt as 2. And we're trying to figure out the rate at which the base, here's our base, is changing at this moment in time. Okay, so we know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So here we have the product of two variables, b and h, and the area, the base, and the height are all changing with respect to time. So we're going to do implicit differentiation, and because we have a product here, we actually have to use the product rule. So we have 1/2, so I'm going to do b times dh dt plus h times db dt. Okay, so other information they give us is that the altitude is 10 and the area is 100. So as I go across and I look at what I have, and we're solving for dB dt. So they give me an area of the ADT, that's 2, 1/2. So I don't have a base, so we'll have to figure out that out. dH dt is 1, so 1b plus h is 10, and then dB dt is what we're solving for. So here we are in this equation, and we're missing a value for a variable. So I have to go back and look at what information do I have. Well, they give us the height and the area, and here's our equation for the area of a triangle. Oh, I wrote 10 and not h. So if I put in 100 for the area, 1/2 base times height, which is 10. And so 100 equals 5b. b is equal to 20. So I'm able to go back. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 while I'm here. So 4 equals, substituting 20 for b, 20 plus 10 dB dt. Subtract 20, we get negative 16 equals 10 dB dt. Divide by 10, and we get negative 1.6 is equal to dB dt. So that means that the base is getting smaller. So as the height is increasing and the area is increasing, the only way that's going to work here is for the base to get smaller. And our units would be centimeters per minute. Hope that helps, and we'll see you soon.